I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, with LBS Permanent Makeup Academy, you're in a good hand. I got a training with Master Lynn. She's the best. I got a lot of practice on 4 days. After 4 days, I'm good to go.
She really showed me consistently and constantly what was wrong with my strokes, and therefore I learned. Because the classes I've taken before, they would show you and teach you, but then leave you alone. So with her, I'm really happy and confident now in my work that I am going to do better, and I'm gonna, rise up into this field even more.